For those of you who don't know, I also have a podcast channel besides this one. It's called the Jeff Morrow Podcast, and I interview guests about paranormal subjects. One of my guests, named Maren, besides having a near-death experience, also owns a chocolate company, and she kindly sent me some of her chocolate. So let's check it out. Got a nice card from her. Hi Jeff, hi Mara, Happy New Year 2026. Sending kind regards, Maren. Her brand is called That Chocolate, created in the heart of Vermont's Enchanted Forest. And this one is Porcelana's Light White Chocolate Buttons. And this one is chocolate powder. And on the back it says you can make traditional chocolate paste and spread, hot chocolate, and chocolate mousse. Today I'm going to make some raspberry chocolate, but before I do, let's try some of this. All right, they're nice sized chunks of chocolate. It's delicious. It almost tastes like hot chocolate in a way, you know, just eating it kind of has that hot chocolate taste. Now that I think about it, I guess it has a nice milky flavor to it. Here are some buttons. And obviously it has a milder flavor than traditional chocolate. This is also good. And what's nice about it is it doesn't have that fake white chocolate taste. All right, let's go make some raspberry hot chocolate. The first thing we're going to want to do is warm up our milk. And I'm making 2 servings, one for me and my dear wife. So if you want to make it for yourself, just half this recipe. So let's start with 2 cups of milk. We'll put this on low. Medium low, just to start slowly warming it up. Next, I'm going to need a half a cup of raspberries and 6 tablespoons of chocolate powder. And you want to make sure you incorporate all the powder into the raspberries. By the way, I got this recipe from her website. And if you're wondering, this chocolate is very enchanted from the forests of Vermont. And when I think of enchanted, I think of the Lord of the Rings. So maybe this is something that the hobbits would drink. Next, you want to transfer your chocolate raspberry paste to your mugs. That's good. All right, our milk's ready. Let's add it to the paste. All right, next, give it a quick stir. And you have to make sure that you get to the bottom because that's where all the paste is. I'm going to top mine with some whipped cream and a raspberry, but before I do, I want to taste it first. It's good. This is the first time I've ever made raspberry hot chocolate. All right, now I'm going to put some whipped cream. And one raspberry. Happy New Year, and I hope 2026 will be an amazingly enchanted year for all of us. There's a deer over here, and I've seen him on Facebook that he wrapped himself in Christmas stuff, it looks like. I'd like to help him to get it off, if I can. But the way deer are, if you approach them, they'll take off running. Let's see if he'll feel comfortable and he'll come my way. Maybe I can help him out. Nope. There he goes. He's gone. So today is Mara's birthday. She turned 25, and I took her to a French restaurant here on the San Antonio Riverwalk. Look how beautiful it is.
I would love to feed you.
Check out this woodpecker. I don't see these around the house very often. Here's an owl on our neighbor's chimney.